Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Welcome every student to this new lesson. Today we are going to take Module 2 round up for the Traveller 5. We're still in the first semester and we are targeting third secondary stage. What we will learn today, as you can see, we have three different things. Number one, read a short text about extreme sports. 2, revise module grammar, and 3, practice completing the blanks with correct form of the words. This is going to be round up lesson, reading short text about extreme sports, and revise modules, grammar, and practice completing the blanks with the correct form of the words. And as usual, the warm-up page and the question for you. Could you describe the picture? Could you describe the picture? What can you see? I think it's not difficult to describe it, whether he is trying to climb up the mountain or not. All right, this is the passage. So I am going to read for you this passage. We have, I think, more than one question to get the answer for it after reading this passage. So just follow with me. I'm going to read for you slowly. Extreme sports. Extreme sports are described as activities which have a high level of danger. Examples of common extreme sports include skydiving, rock climbing, surfing, scuba diving, water skiing, mountain biking, and snowboarding. These sports often involve speed, high and great physical effort. Extreme sports differ from standard sports because they are affected by environmental obstacles and challenges, including weather and terrain. Because natural obstacles such as wind, snow, water, and mountains cannot be controlled, they inevitably affect the outcome of the given sport or event. In contrast, the standard sporting event, athletes compete against each other under controlled circumstances, while it's possible to create a controlled extreme sporting event. They are often factors which cannot be held constant. Examples include snow conditions for snowboarders, rock and ice quality for climbers, and wave height for surfers. Alright, this is the exercise for the previous passage, and your mission is just to answer questions from 1 to 3. Read the passage about extreme sports and answer the question from 1 to 3. Choose A, B, C, or D. Number 1. In order to be labeled an extreme sport, the sport must physically exerting, take place in harsh weather conditions, be done at high speed and altitudes, have a high level of danger. Number 2. How are standard sports different from extreme sports? Athletes do not compete against each other in extreme sports. The standard sports are usually played in a controlled environment. The outcome of standard sports is constant. Or D, standard sports are always played despite the weather. And the third question, why are snow conditions, rock and ice quality, and wave height referred to in the text? Because they affected only specific sports, they are referred to as factors that must be controlled. They are given as examples of challengeable conditions because these conditions are necessary for each sport. What is the right answer for each question? Here we go with the right answer for number 1. Be done at high speeds and altitudes. Number 2. Standard sports are usually played in a controlled environment. B is the right answer, while number 3, D or C is the right answer. They are given examples of challengeable conditions. Well done for those who get the right answer from the first time. And now we have another exercise, but this time choose the word or phrase that produces a grammatically correct sentence. We have 6 sentences, as you can see. Number 1, was Lena still living in Frankfurt when she, the word A was winning, won, had been winning, would win. 2, the lesson already 15 minutes before we arrived. Was began, was beginning, had begun, would begin. 3, is it ever as this in London? The hottest, as hot, slightly hotter, far more hot. We will or will we have lunch today? Let's go to that place by the ocean that makes sushi. What, when, which, where? 5, we through the park when we heard the bomb explode. Walked, were walking, would walk, or were walked. While 6 is explanation about why he failed the exam. Is I have ever heard the most strange, stranger than the strangest, the strangest. What do you think the right answer for each question? Let's see the answers together. And number 1 is the right answer, while 2, had begun, is the right answer. 3, that's hot. 4, where is the right answer. And 5, we're walking, is the right answer. And 6, the strangest. Oh, the strangest is the right option for the last question. Well done, and this is another exercise. Read the text and complete the blanks with the correct form of the words in capital. You can see the words in capital on the right hand side. Experience, investigate, and danger. Zeta Games, a new computer game, is a great thrill that will keep you on the edge of your seat for hours. You take on the role of the main character, Troy Spector, scientist, archaeologist, and you can see blank here, FBI agent, and you investigate kidnapping. You will take you all over the world as you are challenged by and exciting adventures. So your mission is just to read the text, complete the blanks with the correct form of those words on the right hand side. Okay, the first option, experienced, is the right option. Investigation, you can see, or investigations, and the right form of the last word is dangerous. Now it's time for the assessment. Complete the second sentence so that it has similar meaning to the first sentence. Using the word giving, do not change the word giving. You must use between 2 up to 5 words, including the word giving. You can see 3 different sentences. You can see the words given on the right hand side. Our holiday was less expensive than I had expected. Our holiday I had expected. So you should not change or even increase the words more than 5. Okay, 2. How long has Rami been driving a Ferrari? When a Ferrari and the word did. 3. It's long time since I played tennis. Long time. The right answers. Our holiday was not as expensive as I had expected. 2. When did Rami start? Or you can say when did Rami begin driving a Ferrari? It is a long time since I played tennis. I haven't played tennis for a long time. What we have learned today, as you can see on those uh, squares, we start with the passage and some question related to the passage, then move to the rewriting the sentences and some exercise related to zeta games. Those were the references, and this slide, as usual, means this is the end of that lesson. I would like to thank you for your watching. I hope you do enjoy and learn something new. For more information at lesson, please visit our website or contact us via Twitter account. If you prefer to call, this is the right number, 800-442-2220. Thank you again. Hope to see you next time. Until that, goodbye for now.